Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some new finds from the people over at Diamondartgift. So, before I jump in, if you do a couple of things for me, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, that helps me out a lot. And let's get started. So, I have a canvas, I'm going to save that for last. First, I'm going to show you the other things that I got because I'm super excited. Guys, it's another diamond painting pen. I know I show these all the time, but I just love collecting them. And they've had some really cool ones coming out. And this one is just all these kind of pretty spring flowers. I can't wait to use this one with like a really pretty colorful, maybe even a rainbow canvas or a flower canvas. I've never really been big on matching my pins to my canvas, but that was because I didn't really have a lot of them. And so I'm finding that I can collect these and it's pretty awesome. So you get the regular tip and then you get a 6-placer on here. So yeah, and this little beauty was $5.99. So that's going to go in my collection. And then I found this little thing that I wanted to try out. Now I've seen this in several other places, but I've never actually tried it. So I thought I would get it and see how it works. So basically, it's like having 6 different pins with 6 different tips all at once. So I'm not quite sure, like this seems kind of awkward to hang on to it to diamond plays because I typically hold my pins like this, but if I have all of these tips that I can try, and have them all at once, all on one pin, maybe that's okay. So you get a straightener tip, you get a 9-placer, you get a 6-placer, and these are all metal tips. You get a 3-placer, you get a single tip, and you get the angled one. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so you can fit all of those on here. They do give you a little bag of the little spacers, the little rubber band spacers, so you can put them on. Oh, these already have them on there. So you just fit the tips in like this, and then you put a tip in each one, and then you can just rotate to whatever size tip you need depending on what diamond painting you're doing. So I'm gonna give this a try and see how I like it. Now I will say, I know already these are not going to be my favorite tips because they're the ones with the thicker wall, but I know plenty of you like them. So yeah, I just wanted to try it out and see what it was like to have, kind of all the tips at once available to me. So this little baby was $10.99. So I will give it a try and let you know what I think. Again, my hands are kind of small. I'm not a very tall person, so I don't know. Like I said, holding it seems like maybe it would be kind of awkward, but maybe I'll just have to try it and see how it works. So be looking out for that. Probably on my Instagram or in my Facebook group. I will post some things about that when I get around to testing it. I have so many things to get to, guys. I don't know for sure when that will be, but I will test it. Okay. And then the last thing is this cute little partial diamond painting. So let me get this out of here. And unroll it. Okay, it's one of the thinner canvases, but it's very stiff. Like it's not as thick as the regular canvas, but it is stiff like a regular canvas. Okay, so pretty standard kit, bow, plated wax, pink pin. We do get tweezers because it is a special drill kit, as you can see. So we've got rhinestones, we've got all different kinds of shapes. Ooh, look at those pretty ABs. All right, and here it is. I just saw this one. It's a butterfly. Who doesn't love butterflies? Again, I like having the partials around just for those days when I need a quick finish so I can feel like I've accomplished something when I'm working on those bigger projects. We have a schematic on both sides. We have the drill codes, both the crystal codes, regular diamond painting codes for the ABs, and then we have our special shape codes. So I'm still working on that project. When I get a little further with that, I will let you guys know. And then oh, I need to measure this first before I get in the drills. It is 30 by 30 sold as. It is 24 by, I'm going to guess 24. Yep, 24 by 24. Again, we do have the schematic on both sides. It is nice and sticky where you need it to be. And let's see what our 13 colors look like. I can figure out how to get into the drills. Okay, so we only have 13 colors, so not a lot of colors, but some pretty colorful ones. So we've got this light blue, and then a darker blue, got like a light green, a pale pink, like a blush color, a dark purple, an orange, ooh, that berry pink I love so much, and then we have our 310 ABs. I did a monarch butterfly with these that I think turned out really well. I think that adds a lot when you're doing, like, I'm assuming, yeah, this is going to be like the antenna and some of the stems of the flowers and things. That will look really good. And then, ooh, these are not my favorite. These little tiny teardrop slivers. We have them in silver, in a light purple, and in kind of an old gold. And they work really well for flowers. I will give them that, but they are such a pain to place. Thank goodness for my pretty placer. And then look at these square ones. I don't think I've ever actually done a diamond painting that had square ones before, square drills. So that'll be interesting. And then we have some round pearls. So those go on a lot of the flowers and stuff. So yeah, really excited about this one. Some really fun colors, some fun shape drills in this one. And this one was only $4.99. So again, you guys know I love my partials, so I can have those quick wins. So just a quick recap. And again, I will put, as usual, links in the description box down below so that you can look at these items for yourself or anything else that might grab your eye. We've got our pretty butterfly here. We've got our multi-tip tool, and we have our gorgeous flower pen. That will be pretty appropriate to do my butterfly with. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for sticking around till the end, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.